Hello, this is Johnny. I have somebody ask me what is the best joystick to purchase. So I went and purchased this particular one from Amazon, and that's a two-player. And I also bought this one from Amazon, which is a Sanwa button. So we're gonna look at it, see what's the difference between the Sanwa button and a regular button. Regular button. Now this one is the light up button. And every time I buy it from this company, it does come with Sanwa joystick, and it's the cheapest one because you pay $39 and you get two Sanwa joystick. So let me confirm that with you because I want to do an open box to let you guys know this is what I'm seeing, but I haven't bought this for a couple months already. Now it doesn't say that on the website, say that it comes with Sanwa joystick. So, but surprising is every time I purchase it, it comes with Sanwa joystick. So I want to do it one open box again and to confirm that it is come with Sanwa joystick on the December of 2002. And let's see what happened. Now, one thing I like about this new button is that it comes with the way they redesign it is very nice because you only need one cable instead of a multi-cable. So let's see, this is a joystick that comes with it. It comes with this kind of cable, so you don't have a messy cabling because the way and it come with two bar top, black and red, and come with a USB connection. Come with two because there's two joystick and two set of this as well, and two set of joystick. So we're gonna compare the joystick and also the rest. It's a two set. Okay. So I want to see if this thing is actually Sanwa because it will have the name on the back of it. Okay. So let's see, because in the advertisement it doesn't say it's Sanwa. Sanwa, S-A-S-N-A, no, S-A-N and then W-A. All right. So let's see if this one say it. Yeah, it does say it right there. Okay. So S-A-N-W-A. Alright. So it says Sanwa on this thing here. So I'm not sure it's because they put this, because the joystick itself, it doesn't. It's just this little thing here. So I assume that is a Sanwa joystick. So if those of you who buy Sanwa joystick, let me know. Is it only supposed to say up here only? It doesn't say any place else, only on this plastic. So I don't know if it's just the plastic that is a Sanwa, or the whole joystick is Sanwa. So I don't know. For some reason this one is a little bit kind of got a mark up here. Don't know why. Not as new as the previous one. Here's the second one that come with it. Now I never see a Sanwa joystick that have this kind of a configuration, which is one cable. I always see like a multi-cable, you know. So this is the newer model, and so I don't know. So it's also say the same thing right here. So I assume that it does come with two Sanwa joystick. The resistance is not bad. The spring. So those are the two joysticks that come with it. Now, I always wondering what does a Sanwa button look like, you know. So I bought a box of that. Now, let's see what's what's the difference between this button. Now this is a light up button, and it's different than the way they cable it. Is just you just use one cable and plug it in. So I guess this is a Joy. What is this? I guess you have to separate them. They're all like tied together. Yeah, just one cable. So they're all like stuck together, the cable. So we're gonna open this one and see what this one say. Is this a regular or is it a Sanwa? So it doesn't say Sanwa on it, so I assume it's just a regular one. See, it doesn't say nothing about it. Okay. And this is the button that light up. It's kind of like doesn't click as well as the, and then you put this on top. So it's only one cable go here, only one direction, and then one go into this PC board. Okay. So this connection is very wire. The wire is very it's good. Now this one I bought that come with 12, and normally you want to have 12 because for the arcade I always want to put a 12 joystick. Now this one does say Sanwa, and I paid $28 for it. So it costs more than the Sanwa, Sanwa, and so all of them have Sanwa on it. Even the black have Sanwa on it. So those joystick might not be a true Sanwa. It's just part of the plate, because this one, even the plug and the button all have the name Sanwa. It clicked a little bit. But doesn't click. This one click louder than this one. But this one have a long way to go when you press down, because you can see it's a lot higher and this one is lower. And the button size, the Sanwa button are wider than the regular one, but they both are 33mm based on the frame size. They're both the same size. So if I was to take this out, it should fit in here. You just have to like squeeze it in, but it should be the same 30. I think they are 30mm. But same one seem to be a little bit wider than the normal size than the one I got. So this is the same one button. So if somebody asks you what button, you could tell by looking at the physical label. It have the SANW on the black, and also have it on this. So this is a true Sanwa button because it labeled it when I purchased it. It said that on the ad, on the website. So those of you who want to purchase this, is $28. It's not cheap, because this whole thing it costs $39 and this costs $28. And this one comes with 12 buttons, so 2 black, 2 white, 2 blue, 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 black. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, and the yellow look like this, so it's pretty. So yeah, so I bought it because I always wonder, people ask me, are they Sanwa? And I couldn't really tell them because I never purchased one. So now I purchased one, now I know what it looked like. And so it's a little bit wider based on the buttonhole. just a little bit you have to squeeze it in. But this one is not bad. I always purchase from this company, and they have a newer setup where it's just a cable directly plug in, and you plug into that. So that is the instruction how to plug it in, and those are the layout for the pin. So yes, this is the one that I recommend to purchase. So so those of you who are wondering what is the best joystick to have with LED light, this is a company I bought it from. So that's all this video is about. It's just letting you know which one that I recommend getting. And this one is also one big cable, and it goes directly, which is right here. So this just goes directly to the PC board, so you don't have to mess with a lot of cable, just one cable. But this one, I don't know is the, now they do sell Sanwa plate. Okay, they do sell this kind of plate, but for some reason this one only say Sanwa on the bottom, and on the clear plastic, the joystick guide they call it, but the other places it doesn't say. Okay, nothing on the black or the plate say that it's a Sanwa joystick. So maybe that's why they didn't advertise it as a Sanwa joystick. So I don't know. So I probably will look into it more, and I will put it on the description that if this is a true Sanwa joystick or not. And I'll get hold of the customer, the seller who sell this, and ask them, is this a Sanwa joystick or is just the joystick guy that is a Sanwa plate, but the joystick is not. So, all right, that's pretty much it. All right, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you guys to figure out what joystick to get for your arcade. And this is a one I'm also going to use, and I'm going to use for the TV box, the GT King that I just purchased. So I'm going to go set that up, and this is the joystick I'll be using as well, with Raspberry Pi and a TV box. So this is the one that I'm using. So now what's weird is that they don't come with this. The same one, they don't come, I don't know, they come with a set that have everything plus this. But every time I do see, I think they also come with the same connector. So the only thing different is just the joystick and the button. All right, thank you. Talk to y'all later.